course has some amazing history, run by the city of Bath. It's got some great history, as mentioned, and some of the structures of the golf course are still here today. And we're gonna walk through this little fun chip and putt course. And they open in the springtime, right at Easter, so we just missed it, but you can see it's still the layout of the course here. And here's the first green, and you can see it's turned more into a foot golf course with some cool history nonetheless. You can see even for foot golf, it's got some amazing views and some uphill and downhill shots if you can. This course is located at Royal Victoria Park. It is the crown jewel of Bath's green spaces spanning 57 acres and is designed to be a hub for diverse sports and traditional golf, while including foot golf. Now the royal opening here, well, the park officially opened 1830. And it was by the 11-year-old Princess Victoria, 7 years before she became queen. Local legend has it that a resident of the town made a rude comment about the princess's ankles during her visit. She was so offended she never returned to Bath for the rest of her life. It is one of the people's park, and it is designed for the people. And you'll see that when you're walking through the golf course itself. Now, golf didn't develop here into the park until 1932 with the approach course. This was built during the Great Depression to create jobs, and it transformed this hilly land into a public golf course designed for short game practice. Because it sits on a steep slope, the course is famous for its physical challenge and also unmatched views of the city line. We recently had the rise of foot golf here, which is a hybrid sport between golf and soccer, but nonetheless there's still a little 18-hole golf course here that is very seasonal. It's told by locals that it doesn't open until the springtime. I assumed it was open based on Google review. There wasn't a website to work with. Here on this side that you're seeing footage is the foot golf area from my understanding, and then the other side of the park you'll start to see some of the holes. Now, in regards to the park itself, amazing history, and the golf course again being designed during that period to create jobs, and that's why they designed the golf course itself during the Great Depression here. In regards to the designer of the golf course, it was built in-house, so local authorities of the public recreational program helped design the golf course in natural slopes of the high common area. The key figures in the development would be the Bath City Council and also the unemployment relief workers. These were workers who physically shaped the fairways and greens. Their labor transformed the land into a cattle grazing field into the recreational space we see today. Because the course is meant to be an approach course, that means it's for short game, it focuses less on strategic design and more on just fundamentals of the game and how to learn the game. As you can see, you're hitting off mats on most of the holes, and they do need a little bit of scrubbing. Now, this is definitely maybe 2 or 3 weeks before the course officially opens again, but you can see those scenic views on this 18-hole golf course on this side. It's definitely a great course to get out and play. That's very affordable, though I couldn't find much information in regards to the price. I would assume that it's just a few pounds. I wasn't even sure if you can rent clubs, and then when I got there it wasn't even open, so I wanted to make sure I get some footage of the golf course itself, learn about the amazing history. So really being built in 1932 itself, opening, closing, and definitely being more of a seasonal golf course here. How long does it stretch? It says 1,373 yards. with a rating of 56.2. And it was also previously known as the Bath Approach Course. It's also called the Royal Victoria Park Golf Course as well. And it looks like it even's changed and had some redesigns as of 2023 as well. Now, just being there, it was grateful, and make sure you take a look at our other videos here with the Professor, an independent golf channel focused on fun, affordable golf in your area.